Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share high ticket profit system. Breakthrough new system lets you clone our done for you high ticket business that makes us over $1,000 plus per day. Using an automated process, we're generating daily passive income without creating products, creating videos or sending emails. Secure your license and I'll give you everything I use to make over $1,000 plus per day. Claim your high ticket profit system before the timer hits 0. What is the high ticket profit system? The high ticket profit system is your opportunity to work with a 7-figure internet marketing super affiliate. I've created an entirely new method and system that makes us $500 to $1,000 commissions every day. What's more, you don't need to have experience in affiliate marketing or any online marketing to succeed. The high ticket profit system will take care of it for you. Get access to the system created by a millionaire that's made over $1 million online. I've established a system that does all the work for you. Once you purchase the license, all you do is plug in your information, and I'll help you succeed. My team makes $1,000 plus commissions with each automated sale straight to their accounts. You only need one thing to have this kind of lifestyle and security: a license to use the same system that I use. The advantage of this license is that you're going to earning 100% commissions on a high-ticket system that has made me millions of dollars online. You see, until now, there was only one path to making money online and earning high-ticket $1,000 plus commissions: the old way. My new way of doing things generates $1,000 plus in commissions per day for me. Because it's automated, fast and 100% done for you. And you can have the same success. It's never been easier to build a substantial online business. Ever. You don't need to make a product. You don't do any marketing. You don't do any advertising. You won't handle customers, shipping, or fulfillment. You don't do any selling. The system generates sales automatically, and we're earning $1,000, $2,000, and $3,000 commissions even when we're sleeping. It's all done for you in one tidy system. How it works? I developed a system that generates sales and commissions automatically into our account. Once you grab your license, all you do is plug in your affiliate link, configure a few settings, and the rest is done for you. My team and I earn 100% commissions on a product that has generated over $1 million in online sales. A product that makes us $500, $1,000 or more with every automated sale. I'll show you the proof in a little bit. I'm giving anyone interested in making a steady, life-impacting income a chance to work with me and get the same results as I'm getting daily. You'll see exactly how I do it. It's not magic, just a new way of thinking. And I'm giving it all for a ridiculously low price to show you that I mean business. Why am I sharing this? Mega millionaire John D. Rockefeller once said, "I would rather earn 1% off 100 people's efforts than 100% of my own efforts." I've always believed in that concept, and today is the day I put it into practice by offering to work with you and do all the work for you. Now that I know how well this system works, it's time to share it and scale up. By doing so, I make a little from a few partners while they earn 100% commissions on my products. My team can reap the rewards of my labor. I'll provide everything up front and show you how I've made over $1 million in this business and how simple it is once you plug in. I don't hold anything back. You'll see exactly what I do, how it works, and why it works. All I ask from you is a tiny, one-time investment of $17. That's right. Just $17. Don't believe me? Keep reading. This system earned me over $1 million online and now it's all yours. I've done all the work for you, so you can have the same success as an internet millionaire without wasting any more time or money. From Glenn Kosky, super affiliate and serial entrepreneur. To anyone frustrated trying to make a buck online. Dear friend and future millionaire. It wasn't that long ago when I was struggling trying to make money online. I mean, I tried everything. If I add them up, I spent over $100,000 on my online education. I spent every penny I could find. I lost all my personal savings. And was forced to finance my dream with credit cards and loans from the bank. I tried dropshipping. But it was too customer intensive. I had a YouTube channel. But the advertising money never happened. Have you tried day trading or forex trading to try and make big bucks? I did and lost my shirt. Always looking for the next big thing. I then started investing into Bitcoin and cryptocurrency because it was the hottest thing at the time. And you guessed it. I lost an absolute fortune. I even had a Shopify store for a while, but it was too much work and not enough profit. It was a full-time job and not the life of freedom that I wanted. Then I joined almost every affiliate network, trying to become an affiliate marketer. I had some success, but it still took a few years. I was stressed, depressed, confused and in severe financial difficulty. But through spending over $100,000 plus, trying every method and strategy. Do you know what I found out? All those things can work, but they take a tremendous amount of time, effort, focus, and usually lots of money. I got a real-life education, but not much else. I was barely treading water financially, working harder and longer than a 9-to-5 job. I didn't want another job. Do you? I yearned for the holy grail of the internet lifestyle those gurus had promised me but had not delivered. But what really resonated with me was affiliate marketing. Someone else does the heavy lifting of making a product, and I get commissions just for promoting it. The problem was that I only made $5 to $20 a sale. I wasn't going to have lifestyle changes or see big money with those products. I told myself that if I ever make it, I will be the guy that helps newbies become successful online. I want to feel proud of helping people make life-changing money and providing the internet lifestyle that everyone wants. That kind of good feeling, money can't buy. So I decided to double down on my efforts to make much bigger commissions than $5 a pop. And this path led me to create the high-ticket profit system. If you've tried any online business, like dropshipping, Shopify, Amazon, Bitcoin, or any other online business, but it didn't work out, this is for you. I've made well over 7 figures, and I'm on my way to 8. That's where you come in, but I'll explain in a moment. Stop promoting low-ticket products. $5, $20 commissions are ridiculous. Stop trying to make money promoting low-ticket products. You know, the ones that pay you as little as $5 per sale? You can work at it for the next 10 years and have almost nothing to show for it. I know. I tried it. Nobody gets rich on measly $5 to $20 commissions. It's impossible. If you keep going down that path, you're setting yourself up for failure. Each day, your excitement for making money online will fade until the candle blows out completely. What you should do instead is plug into an automated system that does it all for you. With the high-ticket profit system, we're earning $1,000 plus commissions without needing to know how to do any marketing, create a product, build an email list, start a YouTube channel, create an online e-commerce store, post on social media every day, get an Amazon FBA account, start dealing in cryptocurrency. You don't have to do any of these things with the high-ticket profit system. I've already done everything for you regarding promoting a high-ticket product, making the sale, and getting great results online. It's all in place and waiting for you. We will get into the specific products later because the system will promote whatever product we decide. You won't have to worry about that. The high-ticket profit system is a global business that never sleeps. The commissions keep rolling into our accounts automatically, at all hours. My partners and I regularly earn $500, $1,000, and sometimes more commissions every day. Are you ready to make consistent commissions like these? Could this change your life for the better? We created this system to automate high-ticket $1,000 plus commissions using platforms like these. In addition to thousands of other websites and platforms across the internet. Don't worry if you've never used those sites before. We'll show you how. High-ticket profit system is so simple, yet so powerful at the same time. The system automates the high-ticket sales process with your affiliate links attached. This automated process allows our members to earn $1,000 commissions. Without their own products, without paid advertising, without complicated funnels, without chatbots, without solo ads, without websites, without e-commerce stores, without connections, without anything else. You can finally forget about doing anything complicated. This is the easiest system you've ever stumbled across. Are you ready for serious success in your life? I am not an internet guru. I'm just a regular guy from London. And I'm now giving you the opportunity to tap into the same system I'm using to make $500 to $1,000 daily. This is a radical new approach to marketing that will someday be the way all marketing works. Now, I'm ready to license my system to a few people who see the value in having a steady stream of high-ticket commissions without paying for traffic or creating a product. I finally went from a frustrated wannabe entrepreneur to making it big with a revolutionary marketing system that will work for anyone who wants it. But it wasn't always like this. My aha moment at a secret summit that changed everything. I tried a lot of internet businesses before discovering the system I will reveal to you today. Because of my efforts working as an affiliate marketer, I have been fortunate to meet some of the world's top marketers and business people. One day, I got an email from a group of highly experienced super affiliates and entrepreneurs with an invitation to an underground secret meeting. It was a super secret, invitation-only event. Strictly for heavy hitters. These men and women were at the top of the affiliate game, making 8 figures or more. It was the opportunity of a lifetime. I wasn't at their level yet, but I wanted to be. So, I paid $5,000 for a seat at the event and flew to this secret meeting at an exclusive hotel in Washington, D.C. What I learned changed everything about how I looked at marketing and making money online. I had my hands on the marketing blueprint that will eventually become the mainstream way of marketing online. The new way of thinking was why secrecy and security were so tight. This unique blueprint was going to make people very wealthy, very fast. We're talking about the kind of money that could fund a small country. It's so radical that most mainstream marketing businesses won't try it. But I did. In a nutshell, I discovered a unique way to sell other people's high-ticket products that people love, and earn thousands of dollars in the process. You know what? It works. Why go to the trouble of promoting a low-ticket product to make a $10 commission when I can make a $1,000 commission with the exact same effort? That's when I had another aha moment. And I rushed back to London to put my plan into action. The high-ticket profit system was born. Working with high-ticket profit system takes less effort than ordinary affiliate offers, but we make 100 to 200 times the commissions. My licensees sell high-ticket products, but we do the work, and they bank 100% of the commissions. This automated system does everything for you when you secure your license to the high-ticket profit system. We can make $500, $1,000 plus in online commissions, and you can experience the same level of success. As I mentioned, this extraordinary online business has generated over $1 million in commissions in less than a year for me. Now is the perfect opportunity to invest in yourself. And a business that taps into the same high-ticket automated profit system. You could achieve the results of a lifetime with this license by simply cloning my automated system. 4 steps to online success. With the high-ticket profit system. Once you purchase the license, it's a simple 4-step process to get the same results we're getting with the high-ticket profit system. White check mark. Step 1. Activate the $1,000 plus high-ticket commission system ready to convert into sales. We have this prepared for you once you activate your license. Including one offer where you earn 100% commissions. White check mark. Step 2. Add your commission link into the high-ticket profit system so you can get paid. Commissions earned will go direct into your accounts. White check mark. Step 3. Activate the free automated traffic built into the system. This is a brand new traffic source that is completely untapped, which means guaranteed hot visitors to your high ticket profit system. White check mark. Step 4. This is where we sit back, relax, and watch the commissions roll in. We then withdraw our earnings direct into our accounts. That's it. The high ticket profit system is as easy as it sounds. It's a complete, done-for-you automated high-ticket sales system. Customers buy whatever products we promote, and your system is already preloaded with some of the best in the business. We earn over $1,000 when we promote these products, and you can promote them whenever you like with the high-ticket profit system. Since I've sold over $1 million of my product, start with that one. It makes us over $1,000 plus per day. I'll show you when you get inside. You're getting 100% commissions. When you secure your license to my $1 million producing high-ticket profit system, you'll be able to promote my high-ticket profit system and earn 100% commissions, all day and all night. I've earned hundreds of thousands of dollars every single year, totaling well over $1 million with the exact same system you're getting today. If you want to know more about this product, please check my description link. Thank you for watching my video. Like and subscribe to the Get Update.